Hi, my name is Tiffany.
My name is Priti,
Jillian, and I'm a senior studying mechanical engineering,
industrial and systems engineering,
Chemical engineering.
Our senior design project was Sparta, Smart Physical and Rehabilitation Therapy Anywhere. It consisted of a video game component that allowed patients to do physical therapy at home, and then it had a doctor dashboard that would allow doctors to see the knee angle data collected during the patient's PT session, and they would be able to provide more recommendations for their plan of care moving forward.
Been working to create a test stand for electric motors typically used for RC model aircraft to measure the thrust produced, the rotations per minute, and the input electric power. We're creating both the physical test stand and the graphical user interface that will be controlling it, and our test stand will eventually be incorporated into a senior lab for aerospace engineering students in our department.
In project, we're using Aspen, which is a software that simulates chemical processes to design a fully functional plant using a biomass. For my group specifically, we're using cornstover to create polyethylene and ethylene, which are plastics used in our everyday products.
Senior design is amazing because it allows you to control the entire process from the project's initiation, just the creation of that first idea, all the way to the end, to the final product that you create.
We have professors that serve as advisors, providing feedback and advice to keep us on track, and the department gives us a budget and access to tools we can use to build, but we as students really take ownership from start to finish.
We design everything ourselves by incorporating equipment like heat exchangers, flash drums, and reactors, and we also design our processes and reactions so that we can create the most efficient plant in terms of cost and energy.
We really relied on the first semester of senior design to learn a lot of the foundational coding skills that we needed to make the C# script for our Sparta video game.
Mechatronics is definitely a class that we reference the most. In Mechatronics, there's a lab portion, and in that lab we were introduced to a software called LabVIEW, and LabVIEW is what we're now using to create our graphical user interface.
It's really valuable to work on a project that has these real-life applications, and I'll even be transferring these skills in the future as I'll be working full-time for Chevron, which is an oil refinery in California.
As a team, we've really taken pride in our project, and being able to come together like that is something that I love about our Capstone project. Spending at least half of the week together for almost an entire year has really bonded us, and I know these are people that I will always be really close with.
If it wasn't for the many professors and mentors that we had along the process, I'm not sure we would have been able to come up with as amazing of a solution as we did.
This has really helped me better understand and appreciate the engineering, design, and development process. It's not just about building a product, manufacturing, and coding. It's about the design and analysis that has to go into it.
We created a real innovative solution that could actually be used in the healthcare field today.
We are the engineers of the future, and hopefully this is a real process that we can implement.